Through the integration of conformal cooling on injection molded parts, we're able to realize cycle time reductions of 35 to sometimes even 70%.
In conventional mold making, the water lines are placed in by drills, straight line drills. But with conformal cooling lines and the unusual shapes that you can create, the need to get in close to mold geometry, really the only way you can do it is to print it in metal, 3D metal printing.
So 3DXpert is incredibly easy to use to set up the conformal cooling channels.
So you bring your part in, it'll help you orient the parts, it'll check stresses, it'll help you support it. The conformal cooling module allows you to bring in your mold component where you can then create the water lines that may snake and twist their way around through the part. The idea of uniform cooling is to take the heat out of the part in all places of the part at the same time. The biggest benefit is it reduces part warpage.
This is the final part. This is the polycarbonate part that's being produced with this insert, all through the use of conformal cooling. The advantages of 3DXpert for 3D metal printing and ultimately for our customers is a faster turnaround and more reliable results.